The work that I am doing, Cathartic, Edutainment, how to discover, own, and employ your voice. I am Brandon Avery, Paraharm. I am your 2024 Honnold lecturer. I am here to serve as the artist in residence for the dance program, also a graduate of this fine institution, the class of 2012. I really enjoyed reconnecting with this campus. It's a place that's extremely close to my heart, and I'm really grateful to have reconnected with so many professors and staff members that were here during my time in undergrad. And the students are really amazing, like getting to connect with the 8 students that I have in my piece, because that was my baseline here, was to create a piece for the dance ensemble. The next thing that's important with the dance residency is I taught 2 of the courses here during spring term, Survey of Dance Forms and Dance Composition. It's one of the capstone classes for the dance program. It's something that I had taken my sophomore year. When it came to creating the piece that I'm creating, which is called Fall to Rise, which is a double entendre, but it's also an ode to the last dance ensemble concert before I graduated, which was called A Call to Rise. I feel like the work that I am bringing for the spring concert is really informative of who is here and what's the status of them being here and how we're moving forward as an entire community.